Hi, my name is Colm Finnegan, and I will be your facilitator on the IMI Facilitation Skills program. This workshop uses best practice learning methods to develop your facilitation skills in a really practical way. After participating in this program, you will have the structure, the tools, and the skills to facilitate effective and productive group sessions. During the workshop, you will tailor the structure to suit your context and understand the mindset as well as the skill set needed to be an effective facilitator. You will also have some methods to manage more challenging participants in your group. You will leave with a range of tools to help you engage the group, to analyse problems, and develop a range of solutions from the group. I look forward to meeting you on your workshop.